Now these ladies have gone beyond the Call of Duty. Just want a little sampler and they're cooking us dinner. We feel like we're being served by gourmet chefs.
Are you putting two different types of cheese on?
Flip it up.
So you take the zucchini and you flip, these are little ones, and you flip it down lengthwise. And then you cross-hatch. Then you cross-hatch on the cut edge. And that's what you brush the olive oil on. And then the olive oil just sinks into all the cross-hatching. We have a store in St. Augustine as well. I usually layer on minced garlic, and I love garlic. So I put a layer of minced garlic. I then put a layer of my nummy spice on it. So obviously you can do any spice you want.
And then the garlic, and then the cheese, and then we'll put them in instead.
So that spice wasn't in the marinade. The marinade was just the olive oil. Okay.
Yeah.
You can
Or you
add
could
it.
do it that way. Cause
Yeah, you could do it that way.
I don't usually marinate them, so you're right. That's a great idea.
We've got all this left over.
Take pictures of the bag, and you can get it online if that's what, because
Is that one of the primal ones, Barb?
this is not one of the primal ones. This is from a company called the Tea and Spice Exchange, I believe.
I don't know. It looks like they're sitting down on their jobs.